everybody, welcome to my wave review by Bankata Ramana, and this will gonna go live on 27 May at 10 a.m. EST. So guys, right now I'm inside of members area of Wave, and during this video I'm gonna give you a demo of exactly what this is. So in the nutshell, Wave is creating e-com store for you or for your clients. I was already preparing some example what you can do with this app, and you're gonna be practically amazed. So now let's jump here on my desktop. So guys, I was going on Fiverr and I was searching e-commerce store, and here you're gonna have here the first one. He have 598 sales and he have 12 order in the queue. So this the basic one he is charging for 100 euro and premium 680 euro for this, and you can do practically the same in the Wave app. So the second one is I will do a Shopify website, Shopify store e-commerce. So this is 64 euro, the basic one, and the premium one is 256 euro. And the third one is I will build a modern WordPress website and e-commerce store. This is charging for the basic one is 81 euro and the premium one for 299 euro. So guys, practically you can do it the same with your Wave app, and you just one-time fee and you can go on Fiverr, make those e-commerce stores, and you can sell that on Fiverr, and you see how much money you can make it with that. So guys, with that being said, if you are interested on these products, stick with me because of course I'm gonna go into more details. And I also prepare some awesome bonuses for those who like to pick this up through my link, which is down below in the description of this video. So if you click that link, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, which looks like that. And if you click on one of these green turquoise buttons, this will gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can pick this up, guys. But you have to pick this up before this countdown time or my bonus page hits 0, because when this countdown time or my bonus page hits 0, all the bonuses which I prepare for you will gonna disappear, and of course it's something that I don't want you to miss out. So guys, now let's jump on the bonuses. So the bonus number 1, we have here access 7-minute system. The bonus number 2 is accelerate your traffic with Bing. So you're gonna have here a Bing ads course, guys, and you know that Bing ads in general are gonna bring you money. Yeah, that's true, you have to invest something before, but for my experience it's not so much risk with ads, and you're gonna have, especially if you have a high ticket training or whatever, a high ticket product you're gonna sell, and you're gonna have those big commission in your bank account. The bonus number 3 is access 2500 email swipe. So with this bonus you'll never have to write an email in your life. So I prepare for you here 2500 emails ready to use for you. Bonus number 4 is access Gemini, and the bonus number 5 is of course all vendor bonuses. And to access your bonuses, guys, you have to go on your Warrior Plus account. Once you are on your Warrior Plus account, you have to go on here on your Warrior Plus ID, purchase history, and we're gonna show you something like this: access affiliate bonuses, and you're gonna have access to all my bonuses, guys, even if you pick up the front end, and which is just $17, just $17 one time fee, guys. Just think about how much money you can make with this app. This is amazing. So guys, if you click on one of these turquoise buttons on my bonus page, this is gonna bring you on the sales page. Here, one more time, here you can purchase the product, but you just have to keep in mind this countdown timer on my bonus page, because when this countdown hits 0, all the bonuses which I just tell you will gonna disappear, guys. And of course it's something what I don't want you to miss, because you're gonna get the best out of this product with the bonuses which I prepare for you. So guys, right now let's jump on the sales page. So 3-click software build you an automated store and drives free buyer traffic to it in 60 seconds. Dozens of newbies are already getting results. Now it's your turn, guys. So you have 100% automated stores, fuel it with traffic from 100 sources, no hosting and no domain needed, so you don't have to pay money for hosting, for domains. You don't need to think even about something like that. Financial peace of mind, no tech skills, no experience. Quit your job, travel, become free. You have 100-day money back guarantee, so it's no risk for yourself. 6 months, you have to do this, you have to go on Fiverr or build e-commerce store for yourself, and you're gonna see you're gonna start making money online with this app, guys. And if it doesn't work for you, you have 180 days money back guarantee, so you're gonna receive all your money back. Plus get results or get paid $100. So guys, another awesome thing, if you are getting a result, that's awesome for you, because yeah, that's why you're gonna buy the product. But if you don't gonna get results, they will gonna give you $100. So it's a win-win situation for you. It's no risk at all. And you have free autoresponder included. I'm gonna show you there. The people, once they are coming on your e-com store, you can start making your email list there inside. So guys, here is the sales page. It's a long sales page, and I'm gonna let you to check this out in your own time. Here you have some income proofs. What I want to show you here, here it's Venkataramana. I'm gonna show you the bonuses which the vendor give it to me to give it to you guys. Where they are here, guys. So here the first bonus is $50K dollars in 7 days with the done for you kit. The bonus number 2 is the lazy passive profit system. The lazy system show you how to take the laziest newbies and help them make an average $2,040 a day on ClickBank. The on ClickBank is good because on ClickBank you don't have to wait for your affiliate link to be approved. You're gonna have your affiliate link immediately. So the bonus number 3 is 60-second sales. This weird hack let us make our first sale in 60 seconds without a list, paid traffic or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to you step by step inside. So they have some awesome bonuses to offer you guys. $0 to $1,000 a day in 30 days, and the last bonus $400 to $1 on autopilot. Activate the same system we use to get multiple $400 to $1 payment every day. Works perfectly with the Wave software. So guys, they have some awesome bonuses for you. I was already show you my bonuses which they're gonna work awesome with this product with Wave. And yeah, here you're gonna see a lot of information about the product, guys, and that's why I'm gonna let you to check this out in your own time. Maybe this will gonna make you to we're gonna help you to make a decision if you want to buy the product or not. Here of course you can purchase the product. I was telling you have 180 days money back guarantee, and you have even this if you get results, or if you don't get results you're gonna get paid anyway $100, guys. So it's a win-win. You don't risk anything, you just have to buy the product, implement everything, and you're gonna have results. So easy peasy it is. Every newbie can do that. So guys, right now let's jump on the prices and upsells. So if you click down below in the description of this video, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, and here we have all the details about Wave, and here we have the funnel. The front end is for $17, and here you have access to the powerful Wave software and training modules. The option number 1, you have Wave Unlimited for $39. The unlimited edition of Wave let you build unlimited stores and run unlimited traffic campaigns. Option number 2 is Wave Done for You for $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. Even if you pick up this, guys, it's worth it for $197. The option number 3 is Wave Automated Edition for $39. You'll be able to activate all the automation tools with Wave. The option number 4 is Wave Machine for $197. We actually set up a funnel for you and your hosting with your account, so you can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for you, but we also included autoresponder integration, squeeze pages setup, follow-up emails, add in additional traffic tutorial. So guys, they already prepare everything for you, and you can already build your email list with this software as well. They have an autoresponder included. And the option number 5 is Wave Done For You store for $197. We set up a fully functionally custom store for you. So guys, this is the prices and upsells. It's worth it every upsell to pick it up, guys, because anyway you're gonna make a ton of money with this app. So guys, with that being said, let's jump now in the product. It's not so much to show because it's very easy to use this app. So here's the dashboard. The review access didn't work, so I don't know why it didn't work. So I'm gonna show you how your e-com store will gonna look. So like this will gonna look your, once you build like this, we're gonna look your e-com store. So you have here different niches. So life is easy, diabetes, make money, lifestyle, fashion, family, quizzes, travel. And here I'm gonna show, here you have different, so here is diabetes, everything, popular post. Here you can add your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, VK, Telegram, and YouTube, and they're gonna have access at your channels, at your social media right here. Here you have make money online-ish, lifestyle. The tags are already done for you. You don't have to think about what tags you have to do or anything. It's everything done for you guys. Yeah, so practically like this, we're gonna show you. Still have here some right there down the bottom. We're gonna show you this, and here they can enter the email, and like this you can build your email list, guys. Here's the autoresponder integration directly. So guys, practically that's it. Like this is show, you just have to put your affiliate link. I'm sorry I can't have the review access. I do have the review access, but the login, this is not correct. I don't know why it doesn't work. But yeah, once I have the review access, maybe I'm gonna make another review just how to use this Wave app. But it's pretty easy to use. You just have to add there your affiliate link. You can promote everything you want, affiliate offers, everything you want, guys. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next one. Ciao.